This is Dr. Riti. Now today we are going to explain in this problem if matrix A equals to 4 minus 2 1 0. This is the 2 by 2 matrix. Find A square. Okay, first of all here write the given matrix A. Given matrix A equals to 4 minus 2 1 0. Find out A square means write A into A is the A square. We know that already. So A square means write A into A. Okay, here first of all write the given matrix A 4 minus 2 1 0 again into write the matrix A 4 minus 2 1 0. Okay, multiplicated these two matrix. Here this is 2 by 2 matrix. 2 by 2 matrix means there are 2 rows and 2 columns. Here also 2 rows and 2 columns. Okay, here multiplicated means in this first matrix, first row multiplicated next matrix first column. Okay, so write 4 into 4 plus minus 2 into 1. Here first matrix first row multiplicated second matrix second column. 4 into minus 2 plus minus 2 into 0. Next that first matrix second row multiplicated second matrix first column. So 1 into 4 plus 0 into 1. Here first matrix second row multiplicated by second matrix second column. So 1 into minus 2 plus 0 into 0. Here. Next that 4 4s are 16 plus minus 2. 4 2s are minus 8. Here 0. 4 plus 0. 1 into minus 2 plus 0. 16 minus 2 14 minus 8 4 minus 2. This is the A square matrix. Okay, thank you.